Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmess. I have a quick unboxing for you. I already did a video showing all the luxury designer sale stuff that I picked up recently. Dior had their, I think, semi-annual end of season sale, and I picked up a few things on sale. So check that video out. And I did promise that I had a bag that I picked up that was on sale. So I just got it and I'm very excited. I was going to save it for my what I got for Christmas video, but this deserves its own unboxing because it's kind of rare that you get a Dior bag on sale, at least one that you want. And this is one that I have wanted. So this is it right here. This is the holiday packaging. The Dior holiday packaging, by the way, is a little controversial because with their sale items, usually, supposedly, you're not supposed to be able to get the holiday packaging with the sale stuff. It's really just like the plain packaging, whatever. Anyway, my essay is great, so she included it for me. So that is the holiday themed packaging, gold and white. There's a little star. And, oh my gosh, it's heavy. Okay. This is a true unboxing. I have the beautiful packaging, pretty big box. And I do have one more sale accessory that I will unbox with my Christmas haul. So stay tuned for that. Don't you just love unwrapping the ribbons? I love these ribbons, by the way. I use these to decorate my tree that's back there. Okay. And this is it. Oh my gosh. Okay. The lid. Oops. Okay, the receipts here. There's the little sticker. And I got the, oh my gosh. Okay, and I got the Dior Vanity case in the limited edition summer blue palms print. I think it's called Palms. This pattern came in red and blue, and I really loved the book tote in this, but I just knew for me, I already owned 2 book totes and I absolutely did not need another book tote. So I had to pass, and I didn't realize they made the vanity in this pattern. So I'm so glad I was able to grab this. You can tell it's still brand new. It has the styrofoam padding on the handle. Okay, it's got the tag here, Dior Travel Vanity. And oh, here's the little pull tab. So I don't own a Dior Vanity. This was on my kind of a short list for my next bag. Technically, this is not a bag. It's considered a small leather good, kind of like how LV, you know, the Nice train case, I think, is part of their travel leather goods, bathroom, whatever, travel collection. Now, as much as I love the Vanity, I never picked it up really because of the price. I just think it's a little overpriced for what it is. The Dior Vanity, its retail price is $2,700. And I just thought that was a lot for a Vanity. Just for reference, this is the Nice BB, so these are kind of similar in size. And then I also have the Chanel leather cosmetic case, travel case, I don't know what they call it. I think this one was about $2,000. And the Nice BB, I mean, the price has shot up recently. When I picked this up, it was still under like $800 or something. I think it's about $1,200 or something now. But yeah, so $2,700 for the Vanity. I was like, that's too much. That's too much. But I was able to grab this on sale. And so the Dior sale was 40% off the retail price. For 40% off, I got this for $1,620, which I thought was a pretty good deal. And then because I got this from the Dior in Saks, I was able to use my Saks points. I had a gift card, you know, from my Saks rewards points, and so that knocked another $75 off, and then, you know, you earn points. So I try to, as much as possible, if something is available at an LV or a Dior or Chanel within a department store, I would try to purchase at the department store. This way I can earn points towards whichever, you know, store card. But yeah, this is it. So let me open it up for you. Let me take the plastic off also so you can see the handle. Okay. Don't you love taking off the packaging and stickers and all the wrapping. It's like when you get a new phone and you take the sticker off. So here is the top. It has an adjustable kind of a strap here, top handle. It's double zippers, and then it opens up here, and it has a top zip. This is so cute. So as I was saying, I was looking at the Palms print over the summer, and I just couldn't decide on anything. I was like, you know, I just wanted something in this print. It's so summery, and it reminds me of the Philippines. I just think it's a really cool pattern, you know, tropical. I have the standard oblique Dior book tote, and then I have the Toit de Jouy small book tote, which are more animal inspired, you know, animal design. But I just love the nature aspect of this, the palm trees. I just love all the natural elements. It's interesting. I wonder what that's supposed to be. I don't know what the story is behind this design. I think it's so cool though. So there it says Dior, Christian Dior in the front, and then you open it up. It has the blue lining here with a zipper. In my LV Nice BB, there's a similar zipper up here, and I keep eyeliner and pencils and, you know, tweezers up here. And then this is cool because it has one pocket here, and then on this side you have two other slip pockets. And here is the, I guess, Dior cereal card. I don't know. I think a lot of brands are moving away from authenticity cards. Just like LV, they have microchips or whatever. And then this part can flip up. So then you can see it's unlined. And so that's kind of why I think it's a little overpriced for what it is, because, you know, $2,700 I think is a lot if you're considering this to be not technically a bag, but a travel accessory, travel pouch that isn't even really lined technically inside. It has the same navy lining, so that's nice. Feels like a nice wipeable material. Now, Samorga has already very graciously sent me the insert for this. Samorga inserts are a great way to organize tote bags and pouches and just huge bags that you want to be able to keep the shape and also protect the lining. So I got it in blue. I forget which exact shade of blue. And I always prefer getting the 1.2 millimeter rather than the 2 millimeter. I just feel like I'm, you know, getting a little more room for storage with the thinner version. Because this one, I'm not really worried so much about structure. This is pretty structured bag, so it's not going to lose its shape. But this is it. So there it is. I chose this color because I wanted a really lighter color for the interior, so it's easy to find things inside. But here it is. And fits perfectly. There it is. So it makes it a little brighter, as you can see, and then it has some extra pockets along the side. And then this actually has another insert. So there's the organizer, and then you have this additional divider. And what's great about these are they have Velcro on the side, so you can, you know, stick them in there, and you can put them pretty much wherever you want. So if you see on the sides, that's where the other Velcro part is that it sticks to. So I like to stick it more towards, you know, a little bit off center so that I can keep the smaller items inside and on the other divider portion, and then the larger bottles or whatever are on the larger half. But then again, if you don't want this at all, you can always remove the divider, and then, you know, if you're using this as just a purse, which if I were using it as a purse, I usually always have separate pouches that I travel with, so then I just really want a big kind of container inside, and then you can leave it nice and open, and then this way it's more of a liner, like protector inside the bag. But that is my Dior sale bag. So I'm so glad that I waited. It's not like I was even expecting this to go on sale. It's kind of a surprise what it will be on sale. Obviously it will be part of the limited seasonal collection, but I just kind of waited. You know, I knew that I liked this collection, but I just was like, you know, let me hold off, because Dior does go on sale, like I mentioned in my other video. So yeah, if you are looking for a specific item, their classics obviously don't go on sale, and a lot of times these solid color things don't go on sale either. But I really lucked out because I wanted a Dior Vanity case, and I wanted something in the Palms print from the summer. So I'm glad I grabbed this while it was on sale. So I saved 40% off from the Dior sale, and I got this Dior bag. Thanks so much for watching my quick Dior sale unboxing. Thank you, Samorga, for sending me the organizer for this. Check out Samorga if you're looking for a bag organizer. I'll link them below. Follow me on Instagram also. I will always post on my Instagram whenever there is a great sale or deal, because a lot of these designers don't go on sale online. So it really has to be through word of mouth or from your client advisor. So follow me on Instagram and I will let you know next time there is a great sale. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.